So look at another one here. They give you a number. Let's do number 2. They tell me the slope on number 2 is 0, and then the ordered pair 5, 2. They give you the line, and that line passes through the point 5, 2. So they give you a line. So I mean, it's always good to try to like, draw a picture when you can. Does that seem like a good idea? So 5, 2 would be over 5, and then up 2. So that is a point on the line. I don't know where the line goes through it, right? It could go like this, or it could be straight up and down. Well, technically, I know it's 0. What kind of line is 0 slope? It's horizontal, isn't it? So without even doing any fancy schmancy equations, right? We know what the line looks like. Well, if that's horizontal, that's completely flat, right? I hate to use the word flat, but it's flat. It's level. So if this is 5, 2 over here, what's this over here? 0, 2, isn't it? Oh, look, we're doing this without even any crazy, like this over here where I had to do all this solving and stuff. We could do that if we wanted to, but that's a bunch of junk, right? I know, it's easy when I do it. Yeah. So I put my slope in. Right? I'm doing this guy right here. So y equals 0x plus what? Do you know the y-intercept? It's at 2. So y equals 2. Now you might not, Candy, you hit a point there, right? It's like, I saw that, but what if you didn't, right? So here's the tried and true method that you do always. You always do it this way. Okay, you're always going to take that, what you know. So I'm going to put in here, y equals 0x plus b. I don't know what the y-intercept is because this is not the y-intercept. Okay, I'm going to imagine like I didn't draw anything and I didn't know any of that other stuff. Okay, I'm going to imagine like I didn't do that. I'm going to imagine that this is the way I'm going to do this problem every time. So, if you remember from last time, I put the slope in, and then what did I do with that point? I put it in for y and x, didn't I? Yep, that's right. So, the x goes, or a 5 there, right? And the y gets a 2. And I love it when you multiply by 0, because it's the 0. So, 2 is your b value. So that 2 gets put in right there. Y equals 0x plus 2. And you don't even have to write the 0x. Y equals 2. So your equation would be y equals 2. And that's slope-intercept form.